In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and run Claude Code on Windows. We'll turn the Claude website into a standalone app using your browser's built-in tools, so it opens in its own window and stays just a click away on your desktop or taskbar. Let's get started by opening your preferred browser on Windows and heading to Google. You can type google.com in the address bar or use your new tab search box if it's set to Google. Make sure you're connected to the internet, since we'll be visiting the official site before installing it as an app. In the search field, type Claude AI and press enter. You should see the official Claude website at the top. Click the result that clearly indicates it's the authentic site. If you're ever unsure, check that the page design and branding look correct before moving on. Once the Claude website loads, look to the top right corner of your browser window for the three-dot menu. This menu controls most browser tools and settings. Click it to open a long panel of options. Now scroll down through that menu and look for the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share, or something very close to that wording. Browser menus can change slightly with updates, but you're looking for the area where you can save or install the current page. Within that section, click Install Pages App. This option packages the site as a lightweight app, often called a progressive web app. The advantage is that it runs in a clean window without the usual browser tabs and address bar, and it can be pinned to your taskbar or Start menu for quick access. A confirmation box will appear with the app name and an Install button. Go ahead and click Install. The app will launch in its own window right away. Behind the scenes, Windows also adds it to your list of apps so you can find it later from Start. If you like, you can right-click its icon while it's open and choose to pin it to your taskbar for one-click access in the future. That's all there is to it. You've opened Google, searched for Claude AI, visited the official site, used the three-dot menu, found the Cast, Save, and Share section, selected Install Pages App, and confirm by clicking Install. From now on, you can run Claude like a native app on Windows, keeping your workspace tidy and your tools close at hand. If the labels in your browser look slightly different, don't worry. Just look for the Install option within the Save or App sections of the menu. Enjoy your streamlined setup and happy coding!